Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping the server so files aren't locked. This prevents data corruption. Once stopped, make a full backup of the server profile, MP missions folder, and server DZ. CFG because you will be overriding constants. Next, place the custom map files and mission PBOs on your local machine ready for upload. You must have matching folder names and a mission template that Dayz expects, making a checksum or zip copy speeds rollback if anything goes wrong. You now upload the map folders into MP missions and replace or add the mission PBOs exactly as named. Once done, edit server DZ. CFG and your server launch parameters so the CFG, profiles, mod, and mission entries point to the new mission name. This tells the engine which map to load. Also make sure your server keys and template names match the new map and adjust mod load order to prevent file collisions. Verify file permissions so the server can read the new content. You restart the server and monitor the console and RPT logs for explicit map load messages and any missing file errors. This confirms the engine found the mission. After the server is up, connect as a player to check spawns, loot tables, and mission scripts because mismatches show up there. If issues occur, immediately stop the server, restore the backup, and examine launch flags, file name capitalization, and permissions. Those are the most common failures. Once corrected, reupload and restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.